Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Let's start 2020 with a series of maintenance tips for your WordPress website. A secured and updated website should be your goal, and we make sure our clients don't need to worry about it. We want to talk about how you can maintain your website with the latest tools available, share some insights from our previous experience, and possibly interviewing some awesome people that build tools to help us all. Sounds interesting? Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. The first bit of website maintenance we want to share is how you can have a strong password and remind yourself to change the password every so often. Don't know how? It's easy. Log in into your WordPress website, navigate to your profile and edit, scroll down and you'll see a button to change the password. Click on it and WordPress randomly generates one for you. Copy it to a safe place, probably to a password manager. This should be done on a regular basis, let's say every 3 months. There are a few advantages from doing it. One is that a hacker may try to access your account more than once over a period of time. Changing your password reduces the risk that they will have frequent access. Let us know if you find these quick tips interesting, and we'll keep them coming in our weekly videos. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend!